Hello everyone, this is Nitish. Welcome to another market analysis video. Today I'll show you some stocks which are good for positional trading. See, and I'll give a method with which you can identify breakout stocks. It is a very simple method. All you need to do is on a daily time frame, you need to plot four moving averages, which are these four moving averages: white, yellow, red, and green. See, 30, 40, 50, and 60 moving averages. Please keep in mind that these are simple moving averages and not the exponential ones. See, whenever these four moving averages intersect randomly, the stock will give a breakout. See, if a good green candle closes above all these four moving averages, like after the intersection of these four moving averages, you can take an entry. Or if you want a safe entry, then you can enter after the next resistance. Example, this is a chart of HDFC Bank. See, you could have either entered here 1490, or you can enter after the breakout of this resistance, but that will be considered as like uh, only chart patterns, like price action trading, and this is based on moving averages, so you can enter after 1490. See, that's it. This is a strategy, but it is very effective strategy. I'll show you one example. See, this is the chart of Sun Pharma. See, over here there was a random intersection of these four moving averages, and after a breakout of after see, either you could have entered here at 690, or you could have waited for closing about 710 or 720. Both gave good results. See, now I'll show you some stocks. See, the first is HDFC Bank itself. It closed above 1490, 1500, and Monday the market will gap up, so it'll obviously close above 1560, 1570. So you can enter HDFC Bank with a stop loss of 1550. Next is ICICI Bank. सी, इसमें वो पैटर्न नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें पहले हो गया है ब्रेकआउट, बट these three candles 1 2 and 3, the closing, or no, not the closing, the highest price is 700, 701 and 700.45. So after closing, even if a 15-minute candle closes above 701, you can enter in ICICI Bank, and your target will be, first target will be 709, which is 1%, and next will be 718. Then next is Axis Bank. See, similar pattern. All these four lines are intersecting randomly. One good closing above these lines, like above 760, or if you want a safe entry, then a closing above 780 will be good. But still, you can enter Axis Bank, and your stop loss will be, on a closing basis, it should be 745. Next is HDFC Life. See, similar chart pattern, all the four moving averages intersecting randomly, and it has already given a breakout, but still you can enter after it crosses this hurdle of 729 or 730. So people who want to enter in HDFC Life, they can enter after 729, and their stop loss should be 7, this point 719, closing below 719. And people who already have entered, they should hold their positions. Next is M&M. It is Mahindra and Mahindra. See, similar chart pattern, all the four moving averages intersecting randomly. Just one closing above this 785, or for those who want to play safe, a safe close above 800 levels, and you can enter in Mahindra and Mahindra. Your first target will be 850, next will be around 900, and third will be all-time high, which is 950. But auto stocks are not doing that well right now, but yeah, still you can enter, because see, before also all these moving averages were intersecting randomly, and after a breakout of 650, it gave a good up move, then a retest, again a good up move, again retest, and 950. So from 650 to 950, good up move. So again, it can't repeat that pattern. See, now these were five stocks. Next is Canara Bank. Can Bank. See, again similar pattern. Yeah, there was one more pattern in Canara Bank. See daily time frame and this triangle pattern, pennant formation. So a closing above 160 can give a good up move. But keep one thing in mind that it should close on a daily time frame above 160, because see a lot of people might have entered here considering that it will go above 160 and it will close above 160, but it gave a high of 160 and it closed at 157, so like 2% lower than 160. So let it close above 160 once, then you can enter in Canara Bank. See, there are two charts, one is this and one is the moving average one. Next is Tata Power. See, again these four lines will intersect or maybe are intersecting. You can see if Tata Power closes above 128, then you can enter in Tata Power. Like you can backtest this, like the moving average part. See over here, these lines were randomly intersecting, and after closing above these lines, or maybe after this resistance, even if you are entered at 63, the price is 127, like double. So this one's a good method. Next is Adani Ports. See some similar pattern. These lines are intersecting randomly, and a good closing above 757 or 765 will give a good up move up to 886. So these were the stocks, and I'll show you some more examples. See, it'll work in both ways. See, this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever with moving averages. See over here, the moving averages intersected randomly and it gave a good up move. And over here also, it was on a good support. So you could have entered either way. And also in Britannia. Britannia, yes. See, after this triangle breakout, or even at the support, if you would have entered, then you would gain good profit. I'll show you. See, a random intersection of lines and then a good up move. And the last stock is McDowell's. See, McDowell's on a monthly time frame is giving a good breakout. See, this pennant formation. See, if it closes above this point, like 694, which it hopefully will close, then you can enter McDowell's. Like it is a monthly chart, so you will have to hold your position for maybe a year or two to achieve good targets. It will easily go to 809, 810, and maybe more in 2 to 3 years. Yeah.